I woke up this morning and realized that my self-tanner had turned into a streaky mess overnight. I knew I had to do something about it, so I decided to try a DIY tan removal process. I started by mixing equal parts baking soda and water to create a paste. I applied the paste to my skin and gently scrubbed in circular motions. After rinsing off the paste, I made a mixture of lemon juice and sugar. I used this as a natural exfoliant to help remove the remaining tan. I scrubbed my skin with the mixture for a few minutes before rinsing it off. Next, I soaked in a warm bath with a cup of apple cider vinegar. The acidity of the vinegar helped to break down the tan and remove it from my skin. After my bath, I moisturized my skin with coconut oil to help soothe any irritation from the exfoliation process. I repeated this process for a few days until my tan was completely gone. I was amazed at how well the DIY tan removal process worked and how easy it was to do at home. I will definitely be using this method again in the future.